Okay, today we're going to be multiplying using the charge model. So the first number tells you how many groups you need to add or subtract. The second number tells you what's in each group. So let's look at 3 times 2. That means you have 3 groups. Now what's in each group? Positive 2. So 3 times 2, well that's positive 6. You might have already known that one. How about 3 times negative 2? Well, once again we have 3 groups. In each group we have 2 negatives. So that gives us a total of negative 6. Negative 3 times 2. So we still have 3 groups, but let's talk about what it means. This means to take away 3 groups of positive 2, but you're probably saying there aren't any positives there. So how do we make positives? Once again, it's our old friend, the zero pairs. So we can put as many zero pairs as we want to out there. Now let's take away 3 groups of positive 2. There's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So what's left over? Yep, negative 6. Now, here we have 3 groups. And it's take away, remember take away, 3 groups of negative 2. Well, once again, we don't have anything, so what can we do? It's our old friend, the zero pairs. Now can we take away 3 groups of negative 2? Sure we can, and we get positive 6. So, if you haven't noticed, there's a few patterns here. Every time we have a positive times a positive, we get a positive. What does that mean? A positive times a positive. That's groups of positives, or groups of positives give you positives. The second one says positive times a negative equals a negative. Groups of negatives give you negatives. The third one says negative times a positive equals negative. That's take away groups of positives. Well, if you take away groups of positives, yep, it's going to be negative. And the fourth one says take away groups of negatives. Well, if you take away groups of negatives, yes, you'll be positive. And, well, there you go. That's multiplying integers using the charge model. You might want to write those rules down.